Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Yasir Sai and you are watching my channel Saji Fabricators. In this video, I will show you new metal art project for welders. If you want to learn something new from it, please don't skip and watch all of the video. Now head to the video. In this video, I will show you new metal art ideas for welders. Strong and awesome and beautiful designs of metal arts. Some metal arts are made from nuts and some metal arts are made from metal balls. Some metal art made from pipes and chain of engines. Beautiful and awesome designs of metal arts. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. God bless you and your family. Allah Hafiz.